Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to you. Ebusianfo se say frame Killer Lumi. Se say me Killer Lumi. Ma hwehwe Killer Lumi. Se say the style abano no Killer Lumi. Until while se say the frame the voice be on frame Killer Alumi. Killer Alumi yes sir. Because unse se say yan adwunye papa o. Se say sorry or MP NDC aban we mu na wadwintimi papa de na so share o papa. Because the way our NDC for say your mind no. We a normal person now to maintain our mind. You need some level, some degree of abnormality. We have a degree of abnormality for you to be able to survive 24 hours. Last time now, Brabi, from the captain, our TikTok. Of the US, Ghana. Our live listen, no complaining. I say, hey, they see our bed do yana. I say, I doom light 50 and dra. I'm meeting, and I'm stressed or medium. Say, shit. I want you she. Now, I want to tell you my way. Yeah, doom light I'm out 24 hours and I also. Bakupin su. If I know Adwa say or Facebook, Mugo share the page so. Or for you, also for US or your bar or for US Ghana. Or so say 3 months in bien in Sue. Ghana water company for in Sue Baku drop Baku say cry free the tap muye. But the bills brain. Until no so. My comment say, oh, happy second independence. Now, this is what we have had to deal with for the past 2 years, 1 year, 3 months. Now, we're better now 24 hours also. Welcome back to Ghana Ebusianfo. Now, let's go into today's conversation. NDC. Share. NDC, Omuka Century, Omuka Cho say, and see you to our massa. Who are there? Are there people so see akosi? Why? Now uko shabo nti aye wi anebo. NDC for no. Nkrofo amutumi ton factories over 200 factories na ewo man we ma. Na omu nipa kitwa. San nkrofo. And that's when some of the people, especially Gen Z for we say omkwana asem kwa na ye mehin wasem no nyinemu. Gen Z for who name bisa. And sorry, I can say, party be nyomie de, party be say, enti, usu sorry, na koto about fusa. There be. Every party has a history. And these four have their history. And their history, they are used to selling state properties. As for be brave, I know I'm supporting NDC. It's because state factories have been sold to them. They are sorry, say. And no kreno. And no that many people will not tell you. The Gen Z for money bisa. Yeah, bisa sana. I make a choice. Me, when I came of age several years ago, and I was ready to join a political party and start voting, I asked me seniors say, NDC ni MPP party ben I say me join. Me bisa na man bisa obi a obeye bayazo. Me bisa NDC for na me bisa MPP for so. Eto mo menu ma me answers. And enam sa answers how mo menu ma me no, and I may choose say Debbie. Looking at the answers, I want to belong to MPP. I have never regretted it ever since. Never. There has not been any single day I may regret to say me choose say me belonging to MPP. Though me a Voltarian. I have been on several radio shows NDC for Omudi. Proposals, beautiful proposals. Abraham say, oh, we are intelligent guy and nice guy. But joining NDC, giant MPP for some way, mom. Join NDC, you buy a mouse say, say, I said, Debbie, MPP Anna. In fact, even after they won the election, after NDC for winning election, no, they still gave me proposals. Say, oh, would you one boy and requested one boy for our campaign, but would you just renounce MPP appointment for her mom? See, Debbie, mini MPP Anna, right? And to win name abisa. And this is for Ghana for say Akufo-Addo, Bawumia, any MPP for we are selling state lands. Or mine assassin, ye ton ma ye home for basically nothing. And to your mama is excellency, eba buy mono or say if total freeze or sales or state lands so mukai. Dio. And then I mean we kasano. John Mahama na say we lifty ban no. We lifty ban no. Yeah. NDC. Oh, ila. NDC. Sa party on. Sangrofono. Aye. The way they go, they are coming to loot this country on. The way they are coming to the way I say, Omai is ready. They are anxiously waiting. Omai almost say I'm train. Say they are waiting for the whistle. Pre. That's how they are going to loot this country. I can tell you, say by 2028, if you don't take care, no, you will not recognize our motherland. Nkrofua 2016, after losing election, now obitimi signing a minor boss at United money brother. San Nkrofua na Ghana for trust you. Munim. Nkrofua obitimi the 500 Ghana citizens editor a 4-wheel car. San Nkrofua no. They say they are lifty ban. And the sad aspect in me say, because they have the media in their pocket, no media be reported say we are government land. Media be reported. It is a blocks which is a Ghana and same TV GHE. Any MPP for say anya resources I be investigation and we say omuton assassinat. By the time we realize they will buy everything, they will build on it, and you can't do fuck about it. Yeah, let's go and listen to this conversation. But before then, you be your studio our Water region. Total cost near 25,000 Ghana city. So they call dollars $2,300 US thereabout. Why? Now but no screen and say now let's listen to this.
Imagine him in the TV.
Debut. What's one channel? No channel.
Dabi me say Ghana fosi kan ye di tua ne kan na so ono ane tua ne ho ka.
This was a parliamentarian.
I was with for the year as a busa.
Ghana
the way picture where the NDC ni pen try NDC MP ni try that picture.
John Mahama wo hu pa na o ka kire Ghana for say adwene mu ofo mu.
Dabi akwana ba mu na akwana
Tio. Ohwe na ni ma asa ankonam. Ohwe na ni ma asa ankonam. Wa hwe o koye adwuma de asom o man. O koye awakwa akoda. Enti se we se baby a wo koye adwuma isa kronfo bo wa hwa. Enti nka wo no be ye den. Enyam nwanwa se Joma Mahama nka ka kire se Ghana for ya adwene ma omre na ayawaso fo ase timi akọ ayawaso ist o matimi akọ yi sa papa wo ya sa de ama omo ho enyam nwanwa enkan pompunu mantamu capital city yekoyi obi amana be present akoyi de wo kwa akoda na se nipa wo besi den watimi hwe ne dan kora wontimi nem parliament ana wo kwa akoda ahono wo kwa akoka nyansasem ama ya ba be ye umai ukuro ni yie no wakwa akoda na se nipa wo onti ne parliament mpon na wapon na woko no ko ye no anka hwe ama oman ne kranti na sanko fo we mugu oman we mu a utina ugidi se oman ye be ko nanim ko ye adwuma ma wo manfo no wakwa akoda because of only problem be abim ne ha unyina atu atwa bo so me be so no abedem bam allowance sa obejeje enka ho krono a obebebo enka ho nti afe no ne 4 years ne be kwa wiye no no wa men no ntimi mponante na ye kodidi ana we ni ye de ne kodidi asa ne na ya boka o aya wasofo maboka because masoma nipa ontimi decide man ho ana masoma no because we hear papa ya akwa da ya asembe pa na wo hwe ni mu se ade be mpuntuo ben na wo hwe ni mu se beba o constituency ye kanyansa sem no wada ye kanyansa sem no wada nti ono obesi den wapre mpuntuo de aba wo mantamu na wo nim de bi obepon bi obe so de bi ana just parliament apon idu anadwo wontimi na Ghana ye koyachi o ye koyachi intimi dia mesere youth mon sole na o man youth yi na ebetimi age o man na si o ni ehwe ye nso baabi asese ye kɔ ni enu omutimi bebu o man no MPP amanyokuo ye nim de o ma ba ye de ama o man ne pen na se ne yenya mini ye kan se MP a obe present o a wo ye NDC ni na won konko ka sempa wo parliament na yentimi mechechere wo man fama o area won kan ya ye twitwatwitwamu de ye dundundum no o prepaid aboarding o meka bi man no akwakoda enti de be biem na wo hwe ani mu se beba e de be de ana wo hwe ani mu se beba bibia ni wono mu beba o enti matu abama nipa hunu man to ama mpuntuo wabe abra obi wo ho no obetimi di mpuntu abra o obetimi di nkanko abra o obetimi di nimdi abahye wutiri mama nso atimi di saa nimdi na ye bribe no wa drop na sinchen na mwasuma obi a ono okwa na akwa akoda saa mre wada wo de takra nu na som kura wonte am Roberts fo bowura ho no ni yesu tu no kura na ni beba no so no da samado we ni asuma no ana we so anya party bia na etimi ye o only NDC peoples and etimi ye because omo de omo tayo omo ko kan sen MP ana okọ parliament o etimi ko hwe epono a be ma na eda ho adwuma na okọ akoye we su ko ya ono de o se okọ akoda kwada ne nyame ase awie nti okoda aya waso fo mboko bonkum mboko ni fo mfa no ho nti mistre Ghana youth sisi MPP oma bi oma kwan oma punu mato so bia wo pese wo ko register bia ko polling station ne ko register na 2028 e basi e kire ya adwene a wonsu atimi akọ kire wa adwene e basi e ko boban a wonsu atimi akọ boban ne bi because ade papa wo fi a ye makwase ye mi mefa nkonko to twene mesre uma ye nyina ye nko ne yenko hye MPP en monyam na yemfa enkanko eni nkonimdi enko afi 2028 mu minu aba medi besi wa na obi so atwas
Miss Medate. Lady C, why you ready?
I know so be atem no anyama. Ni hu fi se
Me person Lady C kasa we na me pick. Why you very patient? Or try. Allow cash out. Also or time when do me not to watch him. Me person Lady C kasa. Lady C kasa me allow cash out abrem.
Yan se wa ye twen no.
Lady C. Me ba cho ye nko.
Yeah, my baby. Yeah. Miss Sister Quia. Baba Jama Dema Yamane ye one. Na NDC for ni Sebe, John Mahama and Kasaka. Omo nyina fasuo bia ni omoso. Eno nti na omo tumi echicha niema kese se ne ebe ya. Enipa betu aba ma omo. Because ye kase ye hwe omo nyansa ho. Eni omo nimde ho ne de ato aba ma omo a. Omo ni bi. Enti na ama niema chiche na omo de ewe ni aba no. Ye hwe eyi akwedomelo okoyokodaye you know, okoye omumu hwan na okwa a onda enti we ono ani opponent na osisi omode patapaji aba ne fi nsem no omo na omo video ni de ba yo samo nhwa ade amaye makoje mu ani so enti na ono ne den de emfa nto nchen na sane ejo Mahama kan ye no emfa so obi ani omoso jimi nko a nim de ani hwa eda na omo be yesise enye so ye kremoni mpa nka meka se waye bibi because eni je so mroso enti oye bi no koduru ho na chese esise otwene samba eno ne nna no nti ye njai no why na the way awada ne de mia sane edum kan ye no wodi ntakrakra fa na suma onti yama na kakra na nipa nso ye ome Enon dancing. I felt some George laptop yourself. Yes, dear.
The way I was, you sure do when you young for one caca.
Oh, why have you? Intermental Canada Reds. Mountain Canada Reds. Internet
what that's so comfortable to say they are damn them.
Why he? Because John Mahama wa wonu wo mo. Nso si a won hwe. Abrɛ impose wanfa ahwehwenwa yi bi ankasa n'enwa sha NDC fuwe yesramo yenim sa John Mahama kasa mo adwen fita bi anim trim enti yesramo mo de ye hu ye enkasa be yani o enkrofo bi nso mo sesa bie ankamakos ebe krofo no waka sabie no oyamfa ntefo Well, what you said here?
No idea.
Cola, lady see cola na okanana.
There be sabia toilet. A crobium can sabia. I think it should be seshi or brosa or something. Men so multi-language.
Asante phone kasa omuka yane.
Yane, I know the minim. Yane minim. Enti your friend say ye name kamo de no and I am my just swell NDC. Yani baby ye jale mo eniema basa no eno na mo pre ho ye can say lorry stations sa niema ne na nka mo aye mo dia na sa biota frache mimbi say yi kakra yo a headmistress of a secondary school mo kwa pe den wo ho adamu kwa ba mo dia 6 March se MPO se hwane bi is it DS so se hwane bi brofu bi okikera de nyame me ti ya na me yemu hwie krachi ni papa o 20 gram bi o asise ne mabebro 6 brofu no twini nya asefun eyefun a de ne kwasie ye papa ne twi brofu ni nya 1111 adan enti kaya fluent kakra na kaya den wonim say brofluent to me kan ko jira katwi na dwen ho en o people parliament obeye na excuse also no ne kromfo na asoma ni nte so katwi na omote enti obeka ni twi ye free na 6 March asipa wako jina ma speech say the Independence Day is not only for the history of Ghana, but it is for our culture. It is bonjour. Mesdames, papa, c'est so de me go school no man any bre me suma me ade. Because sometimes so tie bi no mu de are ho. Na nti mo amukọ swedro ho. Swesco. Some kwa kwaji secondary school efi oba besia ensem oba sono wesia de abaya headmistress head school training thousands of people na mo san kwasefo say enka mo kwaje da na mo betre wo school ho no John Mahama krasa bi nyansan ni nitrim na mo na da na wo mutrim a mo kwakire wo school and this for months some ho ko baby na me sisi amakan me se first na me yakala po ye training me ye me fifipem ba mo and this for mama say mama say, enti me ba, no mercy, so there's no sieve in my mouth.